you so much. And some orange juice. Oh, I didn't
Orange
get no
juice?
butter. No, we were taking.
Welcome and good morning.
Good morning.
Here we are in St. Thomas, our last stop. But then we got 2 more sea days. So anyway, so today we're gonna get off the ship. We're gonna walk around. We're definitely going to the sushi bar to get a bushwhacker, baby, because that's what this island's known for.
And it's for our friend that's with us, Terry Linderman's birthday.
Yep, it's her
Happy
birthday.
Terry.
Happy birthday to you. So anyway, so we're gonna get off, walk around down there, and it is hot, by the way.
I love it.
And we wish we were doing a water excursion, but we're not. We couldn't decide on anything. All right, so we might end up the mountain. You never know. But we'll bring it all to you. We're out. I just remember when you come here to get pizza, a lot of people get in this line right here. They come get their pizza, but then they have to go to a bar or something to get a beer or another drink. But you can actually buy them. You can see them underneath the other cover to keep the cold in. But you can actually get your drinks right here. If you wanted a soda or a beer, all inside there, and then you just use your drink package or you pay for it. A lot of ovens.
I'm breaking the law. You're living dangerous today.
Oh, I just want to jump in that water right there, right now. I wish I could just jump right there.
I know it looks.
I got safety security.
Every now and then I look back and out there and say, Marley? Yeah. But yeah, you come into
He's got very, very expensive jewelry taste. The mineral bird? On the way back? Okay. Well, let's go to the surfer.
All right, you got plenty of shopping here. There's about 4 rows of these shops all the way down.
Okay, so my friends, everybody right here, guys.
All right, so the line is a little bit better. It's $24 to go to the top. And we're gonna go ahead and do it. I love how they, the heck with the tourists. $24.95 for adults for tourists. Museum combo, I'm not worried about that, but cruise gets to go for $10. And the locals get to go for $8. Nothing like taking advantage of tourists. Alright, so here we go. Getting ready to go up.
I can switch with you, Pat. Yeah, I can do it. Pretty. Oh, you can see the ship so good.
I like the swinging shit.
Wait till I get it going at the top.
Yeah.
Do you think this will hurt? Wait
I'll
till we
punch you
roll.
square in the
Wait till
gut,
we start
Patrick.
rolling down the hill.
Yeah.
I hope
You get this thing swinging anymore, you're getting punched.
I hope they don't hit the water when it starts rolling. Rolling.
You okay, baby?
Yep.
We've taken him to Port
You wanna
DeSoto
get on
and
this side
Tampa,
over here?
and we've also taken him to Miami, and I was paddleboarding, and Daryl was holding him back, and he was in the water. He did not want to stay on the sand. He wanted in the water.
His mama's out there.
Nope, he wanted.
Davis always has a nice one too.
Oh, yours just popped.
I know, mine did too.
Hi.
Look at that boat. Look at our boat.
Actually looks small from over here.
I know.
So high up. No, I'm good. I'm good.
I'm sorry. I'll behave.
All right, here we are at Paradise Point in St. Thomas. Our ship looks little from up here. I'm gonna go right down there and hopefully get some good chicken wings. All right, it's Terry's birthday. First of all, happy birthday, Terry. Don't let her fool you. We're not singing the birthday, are we?
No.
Now let's sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Terry. Happy birthday to you.
Cheers, bitches.
Cheers. He said, "Where's Terry?" And Terry would both went back. I heard her name.
Hold on, I'll take a picture. I got her ship. There you go.
Well, it looks little from here.
Doesn't it though?
Where's Marlene at?
Marlene's right up here.
So what do you think of your bushwhacker, babe?
It was very good, but I like the other one at the other places that we're going to better, I think, but we will see once we get there.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go to the sushi
We're
bar
doing
that
a
we brought you
contest.
last time. We're having a contest.
Yeah.
Now these were pretty strong.
They are,
I
I
will
can feel 'em.
admit. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
They're
go
good.
down and we're gonna head down to the area down
Sushi
yonder,
place. Yeah.
down at the bottom of the thing, and go to the sushi bar.
That's right.
We'll bring that to you like right
Yeah.
now.
He said they take off from the ocean down there.
Seaplanes, yeah.
The seaplanes, yeah.
And there's where we're going. This is where we're
Oh,
going.
we're not gonna let you fall over.
Benigana's Sushi Bar. You cannot come to St. Thomas. Well, I guess you can. It's your choice. And not get a bushwhacker here. They make the best bushwhackers
Right here.
on the island. So, all right. So we're coming in here. It's right on the water. There would normally be a ship there, but for some reason they parked this way down. And we're going
Oh,
here.
no, this is employees only. We gotta go this way.
All right. So here we are. Here it is. Make sure you come here.
Here we go.
Benny Laguna's Sushi Bar. But go on the back porch. You don't have to sit in here and eat sushi. You can just come right on in.
Mackerel, it feels like ice in here.
They have fish tanks,
Oh, look at the fish.
and the best part is they have bushwhackers. They are starting to come out. Now they put whipped cream on theirs at your request.
And I'm married. My husband's sweet.
All right, so now we are at the sushi bar,
Yes.
Mayagana Sushi Bar, for the best bushwhackers in the island. And what do we say? Cheers, bitches!
Tanya, how you doing today, Tanya?
Look who's done first again. Gosh. Everybody else still has half their drink or more left. She is already sucking air.
And guess who showed up? Tanya.
Notice it's the women that are done first.
Very, very good.
Look at them. Except Tanya. Tanya's out.
She's sipping.
Alcohol happens, Tanya comes out. Look at me. I'm still that much. Well, now Daryl's trying to kill it. That don't make
There
you
you
want
go.
a beer right there. Look at that.
Up high,
glass.
get up high.
Frozen solid.
It is very
Frozen
good.
solid. Appetizer, minestrone. Terry's first appetizer.
You did.
What will be your method tonight? So, how was your day today in St. Thomas? Hope everybody had a good day today, yes? Let me know how you enjoy your food and service tonight. Well,
When the world seems to shine like you had too much money, that's amore.
Whatever that is. Fettuccine,
Thank you.
chicken parmesan, spaghetti, chicken parmesan going away.
And my roasted vegetables.
Whatever that is. What is it?
Veal marsala.
Yeah, veal
That looks like
marsala,
potatoes, though.
and
It does.
that's it.
Yeah.
It looks like some kind of potatoes.
Tiramisu.
Apple crostata.
Apple croissant.
Lemon tarts.
Lemon tart. Nothing.
Say happy birthday to Teresa. Okay, at the count of 3, happy birthday to Teresa. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teresa. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Many.
Make a
more.
wish.
Make a wish. Expensive. Yes. All right. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank
You want to share with your friends?
Yeah. I thought I was going to leave without it. Hi, we just had a great day for Terry Lindeman's birthday. We were at St. Thomas. We had bushwhackers galore. We had a great day. It was very, very hot. And now we're closing out the night with, guess what? Chocolate martini.
What are we drinking?
Why?
Because they're good.
So good.
So good.
So good. You gotta try one. If you never had one, get one. Cheers to Terry and her birthday.
That one's a little chocolatey.
Yeah.
A little chocolatey.
Cheers to Terry and St. Martin. We love it. Don't we love you?
No, we're on St. Thomas.
What does it? Oh, I say St. Martin. I like St. Martin too.
No more chocolate martinis for this lady.
I like St. Martin, but I love St. Thomas.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Tomorrow, C Day.
Good night.
Last 2 C days coming up.
Good night.
Good night.